How to use gift card on Walmart app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the way on how you can use your gift card on Walmart app. In order to redeem or use your gift card on Walmart app, you can basically do it as a way of payment method or during the checkout process. So then to begin with, install the application and then log in into your account. You can also use the web browser at the same time. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. If you're using a web browser, on the web address bar type in walmart.com. It is gonna direct you to the official web page of Walmart. Make sure that you already logged into your Walmart account. So in my case, I'm already logged in. So first of all, I'm just gonna select the product that I wish to purchase. So I'm gonna first of all show you how you can use it during your checkout process. Go ahead and select the product and click on add to cart. You need to add the product to the cart and go to the cart icon from the top right hand side corner. Once the product has been added to your cart, you can just scroll down a bit and you can go ahead and continue with the checkout process. And now you'll be asked to provide in the details of your information such as your billing address or shipping address and all that. Once done entering your billing address and all that, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find payment method. So for the payment method, you can either enter in your card details or a gift card. You can just simply see the gift card button located right in the corner, and once you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in the card details, that is your PIN, security code, and then the card number. Just tap on the continue button and you'll be able to get a certain amount of discount on this particular purchase, and that also indicates that you've successfully redeemed your gift card. The other way to use your gift card is that you can simply log in into your Walmart account, and after that you can just head over to your home page, and while you're on this page you can go to the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner, scroll down a bit, go to accounts. After you tap on accounts, it's going to direct you to the accounts page. Over here you'll be able to see all sort of details. Now scroll down a bit and go to wallet. You can see you have wallet option and click on add a payment method. As soon as you tap on add a payment method, as you can see you have the gift card button right over here. Now type in the information such as your card details, PIN, gift card, nickname and all that, and click on save card, and whenever you're making a purchase you will be able to find the option as redeem gift card, and over there you can simply go ahead and tap on the button and then your card will be redeemed automatically, and you'll also be able to get a certain amount of discount on that particular purchase. So in this way you can use a gift card or redeem a gift card on Walmart app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.